Hey guys, welcome back. For this lecture, we're just going to go through what the case study is. Now, I've chosen chocolate companies with just generic names, and there is data stating how many chocolate bars they've sold and how many there are remaining, and so on. Now, the reason I chose chocolate, well, because I love chocolate and everyone loves chocolate, and if you don't love chocolate, then there's something wrong with you. So, as you can see, this data has a lot of gaps. The data's not the best, there's inconsistencies. So what we're going to be learning is not only the functions which I've laid out here, which is formatting, windows, different screens, and so on, but we're also going to get a bit of an introduction into data cleansing. So why is it important to know data cleansing? Well, whenever you get data, most cases it's not going to be clean. There's going to be little errors in it, little inconsistencies that over time, especially if it's documents that have been transferred from one person to the next, and it's a few years old in some cases, there are going to be inconsistencies in the data. Now, you don't have to have amazing skills when it comes to this stuff, just basic principles like everything else we've learned so far. It's just making sure the little things like formatting, spaces are all where they need to be, and it doesn't take a lot of effort. That's the great part. So, enough talking, let's get started.